Good morning. This case which I am going to discuss with you may be most helpful for you uh, to write assistant public prosecutor examination, because this deals with the Insecticides Act 46 of 1968 and private complaint filed by public servant which is being taken cognizance under section 190 C without spanning statement. The complaint itself will be taken on file for process and the summons will be issued. There are two. This case is somewhat similar to food adulteration case. Under food adulteration case, there are adulteration means not only adulteration, excess fat water and misbranding. If any declaration is liable to be declared over the product, best use before 6 months expiry date, all these things, if that did not contain or any ingredients did not contain in that package, that will be called as misbranded. Similarly, Insecticides Act has got a same provision. But two concepts in this case has been declared by ratio. Number one, that the officer in charge of insecticide, after seeing the product, send it for chemical analysis, which was approved one. And after receiving that report, he did not file complaint. Thereafter again sent another sample, and that samples when received, he filed a private complaint, and that the Supreme Court has said after step-by-step approach, no, it is not maintainable, therefore it is liable to be quashed. The another concept introduced was when there is procedure after receiving the report to show cause notice to the concerned company. The managing director has stated in his show cause notice that one particular officer is in charge for that particular misbranding. But instead of impleading him as an accused, they have impleaded managing director as an accused. So that quash petition was also dismissed on behalf of, also allowed on behalf of managing director. These two concepts were discussed. So it is very better if you go through the entirety of the judgment to understand the procedure under section 200 CRPC, 190 CRPC and other provisions Insecticide Act. This is AIR 2021, Supreme Court 3701. Cheminova India Limited versus State of Punjab. Criminal Procedure Code 482 469. 469 CRPC deals with limitation. So you have to go through that 469 also. Insecticide Act Section 3 KI 17 1830. Quashing of complaint. Misbranding insecticide. Complaint lodged after 3 years from date of receipt of report of analysis from the insecticide testing laboratory. Further request made for sending sample to Central Insecticide Testing Laboratory. Date of receipt of such analysis report cannot be basis for commencement of limitation. First report of analysis received from Insecticide Testing Laboratory itself indicates misbranding. Period of limitation commences from receipt of first report only. Complaint barred by limitation. Allowing proceedings to go on such complaint, which is ex passive barred by limitation, is nothing but amounts to abuse of process of court. Then they say, quashing of complaint, misbranding of insecticide, offences by companies, liability of managing director of company. Company passed resolution fixing responsibility of one of managers and same was furnished by managing director in shape of undertaking. When furnishing of such undertaking fixing responsibility of quality control of product not in dispute, no reason or justification for prosecuting managing director on vague and specious plea that he was managing director of company at relevant time. Prosecution against managing director and nothing but abuse of process law liable to be quashed. So this is most important case. You must follow this. Kindly intimate me whether while video recording of this judgment is sufficient, or you want me to go a little bit slow by reading every line. I should understand. Otherwise, if you are able to download it and read it perfectly, it's all right. I can save some time. So this is the same with the case of food adulteration case. Food adulteration case also, they send first report to the their own analyst, and the central is an optional, the other report. So that may not be a running period of limitation. So several complaints are being quashed if the prosecution is initiated against the wrong persons. So that area is also now wide open, so that you apply your mind to quash the proceeding. Best wishes.